Shorty lurking on my page, better watch me flow. I hit the boomerang and let her watch me slow. I hit the zoom again and let her watch me close. Not to boast, I made it in your face like hibachi stove. I love dealing with her.
Hi my loves, Lola here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, by the title you can tell, I'm going to be installing this lace wig from Supernova hair. You guys, this is just a quick unboxing showing you everything that came with the wig. You basically get all the essentials that you need to like install the hair, and I got mine in a 14-inch, and this is what the wig looks like. It's a 5x5 curly lace front wig. You guys, this wig is absolutely gorgeous, and this is it like freshly washed without any product. Now I'm going to go ahead and install it. This is actually my first time doing like a lace front install, so I'm just copying everything I've seen the YouTube girlies do. I'm using my got2b spray just to stick down my wig cap. I was trying to do like the bald cap method. I'm not really sure how bald it looked but anyways, the install came out really cute and I didn't mind that at all. So yeah, this is me just applying some of my foundation to like the wig cap and to the lace on the wig as well, just to kind of like tint it because I didn't bleach the knots. This wig actually came pre-plucked, but I also went ahead and plucked like the hairline just a little bit to make it look a bit more realistic. And this is me just putting it on my head. You guys can see how gorgeous this wig looks, and this wig is super affordable, you guys. It's only $109. So if you're looking for some short curly hair, I definitely advise that you get it. Anyways, I'm just sticking it down with my got2b spray as per usual, and I used my blow dryer just to like make that set. Now I'm going to use that elastic band that came with the wig to just like put it down and like tie it down for a while I go ahead and style the hair. Now this hair, I told you guys, it has zero product in it, so just watch this. This is me applying only water to the hair, and can you guys see how easily it just brushes out and the curls become so defined with just water? You guys, this is hands down the softest curly hair I have ever used, and you guys know I have used a lot of curly hair. Like, it just brushes so well. I have been wearing this hair for about 3 weeks now to work. I've been wearing it every single day just to like test it out and see how well it holds up, and this hair does not tangle, you guys. I don't know what they did to it, but it doesn't tangle. It brushes so well. The shedding is very like minimal. You guys can see my face because I was so like in awe of this hair. The shedding is so minimal, and for hair that costs just $109, like, this is such a steal. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some mousse. This is the only styling product I put on this hair, and even without any styling product, the curls were already popping and defined. I'm just going to be applying that mousse all through my hair just for a bit more like definition, and so it gives it that like wet and shiny look, as you guys can see. And I'm just brushing it through again, and oh my gosh, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. If you want some like short everyday hair, I definitely advise you to get this hair. I was not paid to say any of this. I'm just absolutely in love with the hair. So now I'm just taking that elastic band off, and you guys can see that the lace has kind of like melted into my scalp. That's what the YouTube girls say, right? So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace, and this was really hard for me, you guys, as a beginner, so I had to do it off camera. I have to do this off camera. I apologize. Anyways, after cutting off the lace, this is what the hair is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut some baby hairs on the side. Now, because this is a 5x5 lace closure, it actually looks very much like a full lace like front wig, because you can actually play around with it a lot, do some baby hairs, and when you let the hair down, nobody's really gonna know that it's just a closure. So I really love that about this wig. I went ahead and tied it down and did my makeup, and as you guys can see, now that I've done my makeup, I was able to use like some more foundation just to like blend the edges. It looks so freaking good. I'm just spraying it with some of that got2b spray so that I can go ahead and use my hot comb to like slick this part back. I like that kind of hump that it gives in front. I like wearing my hair like that. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing in this part, and this is basically the finished look, you guys. This hair didn't take much to like style or to install. It's very beginner friendly, and the fact that it's only $109, like, that's mind-blowing. So yeah, this is me just combing the hair out for a bit of volume because it was still a bit wet. I actually love this look when I combed it out. It looks very natural as well. You guys, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. If you want it, go ahead and get it. I also styled it in this side part as well. You guys will see that shortly. It's such a versatile wig. Honestly, I'm so in love, and I've been wearing it every day. Like, the wig has me in a chokehold. So yeah, that's basically it for this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.